What a Monday. We have a few clouds drifting overhead, but by and large, it's been pretty quiet weather-wise. Now, some of us are heading into our Monday evening with showers, but the FM area here, as pointed out on the Skycam, we are dry. And there are the clouds down to the south that are producing showers. Right now it's 79 as temperatures are crawling back up after very cloudy skies caused us to cool down from our high of 81 a little bit, but we have gusty winds. They're from the south-southeast. Hey, summer-like conditions are even more warm as we look up to the west and north. 82 Jamestown, 81 Devils Lake, Grand Forks at 80 degrees. Look at Roseau, 81. Elsewhere in Lakes Country and down south here where we have the showers moving through, things are a bit cooler. Look at the heat out in the western portions of South Dakota. Triple digits were reached down there today, and they may be moseying our way as we head through the remainder of our work week. Here is a look at a storm system. This thing came from Wyoming, and it moseyed all the way across South Dakota. Look at this. It's a cluster of thunderstorms that just organized into a rotation, and it's still rotating its way through the region. Right now, it's over Sisseton, and it's pushing into the Wheaton area. A few rumbles of thunder. So we take you in even closer as everywhere else in the viewing area is very quiet right now. Here is our batch of showers. It's pushing up into Grant County right now. So Herman, you're going to see showers, as will Elbow Lake, southern Otter Tail County. These areas have the best chance at showers. And look how wide the rain is here. That's over 80 miles worth of rain. It could take a while for this to get through. So some of you may see up to 2 hours of soggy weather. Tenney, Herman, and the Chokio area all seeing a chance for showers in the upcoming 20 minutes or so. So here's this cluster of thunderstorms. Watch what happens as we set it into motion. First and foremost, quiet everywhere else, including Grand Forks and Fargo. It moves to the southeast. Southern Otter Tail County will see some showers in the 7 to 8 o'clock hour. Nothing severe, just a good dash of rain. And by bedtime tonight, it's out of here for the most part. Quiet conditions. The wind starts to decrease and become less gusty for the rest of us. Now, heading to bed, we're going to turn our focus out to the west as along the Canadian border, we're expecting a chance for some developing thunder showers overnight. Those will skirt the border, and we cannot rule out a few sprinkles here in the dry part of our region, but I wouldn't count on it. There's a slight chance. The best chance of showers or thunder showers overnight will be along the international border. Not expecting widespread severe, but you could get some hail and gusty winds with those. Temperatures to start your Tuesday will be around 60. Okay, that heat we saw in the South Dakota region will be pushing up into our neck of the woods, 80s by midday, and then some 90-degree readings possible on your Tuesday afternoon. Now, as we look across Lakes Country, mid-80s to low 80s there. Can't rule out an isolated thunder shower, but there is a risk of severe storms tomorrow with this heat. Take a look at where they form. Boom, pushing up from the south. Southern Minnesota, eastern South Dakota, and possibly our southeastern counties have a chance at some strong storms, but I really think that most of that energy will remain out of our viewing area. 65 in Fargo to start your day, warming up to 86 in the afternoon. Less wind as well. So a summer-like day in store, especially in our southern counties. From the southern Red River Valley through southeast North Dakota, expect upper 80s. We'll have low to mid 80s across the north and out in Lakes Country. And again, the best chance for late night thunder and lightning down in the south and east. Look at this fiery sun, a great picture. Rick Craig uploading this. Remember that sun, when it's getting low in the sky, that sunlight has to travel through hundreds, thousands of miles of atmosphere. And when there's smoke in it, it bends the reds towards our eyes, causing some beautiful sunrises and sets. Hot on Wednesday as well. And look at this, closing out the work week dry and warm. Saturday looks quite hot with temperatures in the 90s. Thunderstorms will be in the forecast to start the weekend, and then it's back to summer-like weather into next week. Some models are advertising triple-digit heat here in the Fargo area. We'll keep you apprised of that.
Yeah, please do.
You bet.
Thank you. Training